So in the last video, in this one, 3 steps to learn from your favorite song, I showed you how you can transcribe music into notes using ChatGPT and Clang.io and other tools. So in this video, I will show you how you can automate the transmission of the notes to a MIDI file, which means instead of drawing the notes in Ableton-Live yourself, you can import them directly with the help of ChatGPT. Let me go to ChatGPT. So this was the last chat. So this music sheet was generated by Clang.io, and it was the music sheet of the song Drive of Black Coffee and David Guetta. So the idea now is to let ChatGPT generate a MIDI file from this picture and then import the MIDI file into Ableton-Live. So the first step is to check if you have Python on your machine. If not, you need to install Python, because we will need Python to generate the MIDI file. Let me show you how it works. So this is the prompt. You can copy it or screenshot it. Can you create me a Python script which generates a MIDI file with the melody and the chord progression from the screenshot of the music sheet above? If you didn't have uploaded the music sheet, you can add it here with the prompt. So ChatGPT creates the Python script, and this Python script will generate the MIDI file. So let's read a little bit here about the node. It explains what the Python script does, so how the MIDI file will be structured. Each chord will last 1 bar. 1 bar is 4 beats. The melody is an 8-beat note arpeggio built from the chord tones. We saw that in the other video. You can go back and watch the video. It is well explained there. So and here other information, and this is the Python script which generates the MIDI file, and with this MIDI file we can have all the notes and import them directly in Ableton-Live. There is here the requirements. You need to install Python and you need to install this tool library. I think I have them. I will check. We will see it as soon as we run the script. So actually it imports the library, and here are the settings, bar per beats. It's actually you can read it. It's not very complicated even if you don't code. So here are the chords, F minor, the arpeggio pattern. This one is actually the one which you need mostly to tweak later, because those transcribing tools don't get it really right. So let us copy this and create the MIDI file. So we will copy the code here. Copy code, and we will use Visual Code from an editor to create the Python script. Let me see, MIDI generation. So here we will add a file. Let's call it Drive Python. So Python need to have the extension PE. This is our file, Drive MIDI file, and then we will copy the whole code. Save it, and now we will need to run this file with Python. You need to check if you have Python. I think if you write Python, you will see here the version. I have Python here, so we will run it now. So Python, normally it can complete automatically, and let's run it. So first error, you need to, there's a file missing, import pretty MIDI, so we need to install it. Pretty MIDI. So you need to, okay, it's installed, and let's retry. So wrote MIDI file to drive approximate MIDI. So it worked. So we have a MIDI file which is called driveapprox.mid, and here there are more information. Let's check here in music, MIDI generation, and here we have the approximate MIDI file. So you see here we have the file. This is our Python file. So we need now to import it in Ableton-Live. Let me start Ableton-Live. Then we create new one, and we will import it in. So we go to the track here. You go to the track view, and then we drag and drop this file here. Yes. So let me see. Now we need, if you play it, you will not hear nothing because we don't have instruments here. So I think we will use the most simple instrument, which is piano basic. And we use here piano basic in both. Okay, so we have actually everything. Let me check if it works now. We have here 2 tracks. the bass piano track and the lead melody track. It looks like it didn't generate everything, but let's have a look what it generated. The first track is actually the chord progression. You can here change to F sharp minor and click on scale so you see only the notes in the F sharp minor scale. So you see here the chord progression. This is generated exactly the chords which are here, and the melody which is in this arpeggio pattern, this one. So this is really basic. It's a begin. Let's see the melody. So you can zoom in here to see the notes. Let me activate only the melody. Can activate melody by putting S here. As you see, it's not really correct, but the notes are good. So the goal of this video is to show you how you can use Python scripts to create a MIDI file from the notes. And I think as soon as we have better tools here, for example, when Clang.io generates better quality music notes and ChatGPT can recognize better than the notes from the music sheet, we will have better result in those scripts which I showed you. So we can generate the MIDI file with the correct notes. Right now the quality is not yet there. Hope this video helps you to automate MIDI file imports, and see you on the next one.